Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to our YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we'll be discussing about the leave policy. In many companies, many employees are lack of awareness are facing many problems because of not knowing completely about the leave policy. So in this video, we'll discuss in detail about the leave policy, the terms and conditions and the rules and regulations and the eligibilities for employees. So hopefully I feel that this leave policy might helpful for you in knowing the rights of the leave policy in your present company. So wasting no time, let's get into the video. What is leave policy? Before understanding in deep about the leave policy and the terms and conditions and rules and regulations, let us understand what exactly the leave policy defines. The leave policy in India outlines the various types of leaves available to employees throughout their tenure with an organization. This policy is designed to strike a balance between work and personal life, ensuring employees can take essential time off without facing financial setbacks or job insecurity. The specifics of this policy can differ significantly from one organization to another organization, shaped by factors such as labor laws, organizational culture, and industry norms. A well-structured leave policy not only supports employee well-being but also enhances the overall productivity by fostering a healthy work environment. Objectives of leave policy. Employee well-being. The policy aims to promote the health and well-being of employees by providing them with time off for rest, recovery, and personal matters. By recognizing the importance of mental and physical health, organizations can help employees recharge and return to work refreshed. Work-life balance. The leave policy facilitates a healthy work-life balance, which is essential for reducing burnout and enhancing overall productivity. By allowing employees to take necessary time off, organizations encourage a more engaged and motivated workforce. Legal compliance. The policy ensures adherence to statutory requirements connecting leave entitlements as outlined by Indian labor laws. By complying with these regulations, organizations protect themselves from potential legal issues while providing employees with their rightful benefits. Retention. By offering a fair and transparent leave structure, the policy enhances employee satisfaction and retention. Employees are more likely to remain with an organization that values their need for personal time and supports their overall well-being. Key definitions of leave policy. Now let us see the definitions under leave policy. Leave. Authorized absence from work for various reasons, including illness, personal matters, or vacation. It encompasses different types of leave that employees may avail themselves of based on their needs. Casual leave. Short-term leave taken for urgent or unforeseen situations, typically not exceeding a few days. This type of leave is often used for personal emergencies or unplanned events that require immediate attention. Then comes sick leave. Leave taken when an employee is unable to work due to health issues. This allows employees to recover from illness without the stress of job security and provides them with the time needed to seek medical attention. Then comes earned leave, which is also called as privileged leave. Leave accumulated over time, which can be availed for various purposes such as vacations or personal matters. Employees earn this leave as they work and incentivizing them to stay with the organization. Then comes maternity leave. Leave granted for female employees during their pregnancy and after childbirth. This leave supports the health and recovery of the mother by allowing her to bond with their newborn. Then comes paternity leave. Leave granted to male employees around the time of their partner's childbirth. This leave encourages father to participate in early stages of their child's life, promoting a supportive family environment. Applicability of leave policy. Now let us see the applicability of the leave policy. The leave policy applies to both employers as well as employees. For employers, the leave policy applies to all organizations and establishments as per the relevant labor laws, including factories, shops, and commercial establishments. Employees are required to comply with statutory regulations regarding their leave entitlements and ensure that their internal policies align with these legal requirements. For employees, all employees, including permanent, contractual, and temporary staff, are entitled to leave as per the organizational leave policy and applicable laws. This policy ensures that every employee, regardless of their employment status, has access to necessary time off for various personal and health-related reasons. Benefits of leave policy. Now let us understand what are the benefits of leave policy are. Health and recovery. The leave policy enables employees to take necessary time off to recuperate from illness and personal issues. This provision leads to a better overall health as well as employees can rest and recover without the stress of work commitments. Increased productivity. A well-structured leave policy can result in increased morale and productivity. when employees are allowed to take leave and they return to work refreshed and motivated, enhancing their overall performance and contribution to the organization. Job security. This policy provides assurance to employees that their job is secure even when they take leave for legitimate reasons. Knowing they can take time off without fear of losing their job fosters a sense of stability and loyalty. Attracting talent. A comprehensive leave policy can serve as strong incentive for potential employees. Organizations with robust leave structures are often viewed favorably, enhancing their reputation and helping to attract top talent in a competitive job market. Rules under leave policy. Paid leave. Employees are generally entitled to receive their full salary during paid leave periods, which typically include casual leave, sick leave, and earned leave. This ensures that employees can take time off without financial loss. Unpaid leave. If employees exhaust their leave entitlements, any additional leave taken may be unpaid unless otherwise specified in the organizational leave policy. Employees should be aware of their leave balance to manage their time off effectively. Leave encashment. Some organizations offer the option for employees to encash unused earned leaves at the end of the year or upon resignation. This provision allows employees to receive financial compensation for leave days they did not take, providing an additional incentive for managing their leave responsibly. Deduction under leave policy. Let us understand what are the deductions are applicable under leave policy. Authorized deductions. Employers may implement salary deductions for any unpaid leave taken beyond the allotted leave days as specified in the organizational leave policy. This ensures that employees are accountable for managing their leave balances. Leave without pay. In instances where the leave taken exceeds the permitted number of days, the excess days may be categorized as leave without pay. This results in corresponding salary deductions for those days, reinforcing the importance of adhering to the established leave entitlements. Fines and penalties under leave policy. Now let us see the fines and penalties from both ends, that is employer end and employee's end. Employer penalties. Employees may face legal repercussions for not adhering to the statutory leave regulations. This non-compliance can lead to fines or penalties as outlined by the applicable labor laws, impacting the organization's financial standing and reputation. Employee recourse. Employees have the right to seek legal recourse if they experience unjust denial of leave or any violation of their rights under the leave policy. This provision empowers employees to advocate for their entitlements and ensure that employers uphold the standards set forth in the policy. Prohibition of unauthorized deductions under leave policy. Employees are explicitly prohibited from making unauthorized deduction from an employee's salary for leave taken without prior consent or for leave that exceeds the approved entitlements. This ensures that employees are protected from financial penalties that could arise from unapproved absence, thereby fostering a fair and transparent work environment. Compliance with this provision is crucial for maintaining trust and upholding employees' rights. Employers' obligations under the leave policy. Now let us see the obligations from employers' end in the leave policy. Documentation. Employers must maintain accurate and up-to-date records of leave taken by employees. This includes tracking various types of leave such as casual leave, sick leaves, and earned leaves. Proper documentation is essential for monitoring employee attendance, ensuring compliance with legal requirements, and facilitating leave encashment where applicable. Notification. Employers are obliged to clearly communicate the leave policy to all employees. This involves providing comprehensive information about the leave entitlements, application procedures, and any changes into the policy. Ensuring that employees understand their rights and obligations help prevent misunderstanding and promotes a culture of transparency within the organization. Compliance. Employers must adhere to all relevant labor laws regarding leave entitlements. This includes timely processing of leave applications and ensuring that employees receive the leave they are entitled to under the policy. Compliance not only safeguards employees' rights but also prevents and protects the organization from potential legal repercussions. Employees' rights under leave policy. Now let us see what are the rights of the employees under the leave policy. Right to leave. Employees have the right to avail themselves of leave as stipulated in the organization policy without any discrimination or bias. This includes the right to request and take various types of leave such as casual leave, earned leave, maternity leave, paternity leave in accordance with the policy guidelines. Right to payment. Employees are entitled to receive their full salary during the approved leave periods. This ensures financial security for employees when they take necessary time off for their health issues, personal matters, or family responsibilities. Right to grievance redressal. Employees have the right to raise grievances regarding any denials of leaves or violations of the leave policy. They can approach appropriate authorities within the organization such as HR or management to seek resolution and address any concerns they may have regarding their leave entitlements. This right fosters an environment of accountability and support within the workplace. Complaints checklist under the leave policy. Now let us see the complaints checklist for employers and employees under the leave policy. For employers, develop and communicate a clear leave policy. Create a comprehensive leave policy that outlines types of leaves, eligibility, application procedures, and any related benefits. Ensure that all employees are aware of and understand the leave policy. Maintain accurate records of employee leave. Keep detailed records of all leaves taken by the employees, including dates, types of leaves, and any supporting documentation. This helps in tracking leave balances and ensuring compliance. Ensure compliance with labor laws related to leave entitlements. Stay updated on the relevant labor laws and ensure that the organizational leave policies comply with the statutory requirements to avoid legal penalties. Process leave applications in a timely manner. Review and respond to the leave application promptly, ensuring that the employees receive timely feedback on their requests to maintain trust and transparency. For employees, familiarize yourself with the organization's leave policy. Read and understand the leave policy, including types of leaves available, eligibility criteria, and process for applying the leave. Submit leave application in advance as per the policy. Follow the guidelines of submitting leave applications, ensuring that the requests are made within the required time frame to facilitate smooth processing. Keep records of leave taken and any communication regarding leave. Maintain personal records of all leaves taken, including dates, types of leaves, along with any corresponding related to leave requests. Report any discrepancies or issues related to leave entitlements. Communicate any concerns or discrepancies regarding leave entitlement to HR or to the management promptly to seek resolution and ensure compliance with the policy. The leave policy plays a vital role in promoting employee welfare while ensuring adherence to labor laws. By understanding the objectives, rights, obligations outlined in this policy, both employers and employees can contribute to a productive and harmonious work environment. A well-structured leave policy not only provides employees with the necessary time off for the rest and personal matters, but also enhances the organization's productivity and morale. Ultimately, fostering a fair and transparent leave policy benefits everyone involved, creating a supportive work culture that values both work and life balance. So friends, hope you understood in detail and in depth about the leave policy and their objectives, rights, obligations, and terms and conditions. In the upcoming video, we'll understand different types of leaves and their applicabilities and the duration of the leaves and the terms and conditions of different types of leaves, that is casual leave, sick leave, and paternity leave, maternity leave, etc. So friends, if you have any questions or queries related to this video, please do comment in the comment section. I'll be happy enough to answer all the queries. And if you like this video, please do subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.